Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to design a Turing machine which accepts the language L is equal to a power n, b power n, c power n such that n greater than or equal to 1 formed over sigma is equal to a comma b comma c. The language contains set of strings which are of the form n number of a's followed by n number of b's followed by n number of c's. That is, the minimum string is abc followed by next string is 2a's, 2b's, 2c's and so on like that. And now we have to design a Turing machine which is going to accept these type of strings. For example, consider a string 3a's, 3b's and 3c's. These are blank symbols. Like we done in the previous example, L is equal to a power n, b power n. In this example also we are going to do in the same process. That is, we match the corresponding characters and convert them into some new characters. For example, we assume that a's are converted to x, b's are converted to y, c's are converted to z. That is done in a systematic way, in such a way that we convert first a into x and we keep on moving to the right until we come across with the first occurrence of b, and we convert that b into y, and again we keep on moving until the first occurrence of c, we convert that c into z, and again we come back to the starting of the string, that is already modified content is first a. We come to occurrence of x, recent occurrence of x. Next again, next symbol to the x is second a. We convert that second a into x, and we keep on moving until we come across with second b. We convert that into y. We come across and we keep on moving until we come across with the input character c, that is second c. We convert that into z, and again we come back to the recent x, and next character a is modified to x in the next transition, and again this process contains until all a's are converted to x, all b's are converted to y's, and all c's are converted to z. This is in this way, if the final output tape contains x, 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 y, 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 z, 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 blank symbols, then the string is said to be accepted. If the tape contains symbols like this, identify that 3x followed by 3y's followed by 3z, it is okay, but there is one more c which needs to be converted to z, but there is no corresponding characters of a's and b's for this c. That means the number of c's are dominating the number of a's and number of b's. That means this type of strings are not accepted by our Turing machine because this string doesn't belongs to our language. It should not be accepted. We have to accept only strings which contains n number of a's followed by n number of b's followed by n number of c's. Other than these strings, we should not accept any string. Now let us consider a new string. Input string a, b, 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 and finally c, c, c. Blank symbols followed by blank symbols. Initially read write head points at the first input character. We assume that the initial state is q0. Sorry, in this simplification we go with the transition diagram or graphical representation. That is, q0 is the initial state. q0 when come across with the input symbol a, convert that q0 when come across with input symbol a, convert that A into X and move one cell to the right direction and switch to the next state Q1. Now we are in state Q1. Now read right head is pointing at this cell. Our intention is until we come across with the first occurrence of B, we keep on moving without modifying any content on the tape. If we modify the content before reaching to the first occurrence of B, then correspondence checking will be not done efficiently. So we don't want to modify these contents until we come across with the first occurrence of B, since first A is modified to X. Next, so we loop until all A's are finished. Now at some instance of time, Q1 will come across with this input symbol B. Then this is the first occurrence of B. According to our logic, since first A is converted to X, first B should be converted to Y. When Q1 come across with input symbol B, it needs to be converted to Y and we move one cell to the right direction. This B is converted to Y. Next, now we move to the state some Q2. We are in the state Q2. Q2 will come across with input symbol B. Again, same logic is continued. Until the first occurrence of C, we don't want to modify the tape contents. We keep on skipping the input symbols. That is, we run a loop. Whenever Q2 come across with input symbols B, we keep them as it is and we keep on moving one cell to the right direction. After sequence of B's, we come across with input symbol C. Q2 will come across with input symbol C. It needs to be converted to Z and we move one cell to the left direction. It is converted to Z and we move to the one cell to the left direction. That means read write head currently positioning this cell. We move to some state Q3. Q3 will come across with input symbol B. Until the occurrence of X, we keep on moving to the left without modifying any content on the tape. That is, Q3 will come across with sequence of B's. Just keep on skipping. Remember that we are moving to the left direction. Next, Q3 will come across with Y. Just keep on skipping. Q3 will come across with sequence of A's. Just keep on skipping. Q3 will come across with input symbol X. Tape symbol X. So we move to the state Q0. We keep that symbol as it is and we move one cell to the right direction. That means we are read write head currently positioning this cell. Why we move to the state Q0 is Q0 is the state which is responsible for converting A into X. So we move to the state Q0. Now Q0, we are currently in the state Q0. Will come across with input symbol A. Q0 when come across with A, it is converted to X and we move one cell to the right direction. We move to the state Q1 and we move one cell to the right direction. Next, again same loop is repeated. Q1 will, after coming across with sequence of A's, it keeps on skipping. Q1 will come across with this time new content is added onto the tape, that is Y. Just keep on skipping. Q1 will come across with input B. Now B is converted to Y. Since second A is converted to X, second B should be converted to Y. Next, we move to the state Q2. Q2 will come across with input symbol, tape symbol B. Just keep on skipping until the occurrence of C. Now Q2 will come across with newly added symbol Z. That is not there in the previous transitions. So we have to define the transition Z. We just keep that symbol as it is and we move one cell to the right direction. Then see Q2 will come across with input symbol C, which is nothing but second C. It will be converted to Z and we just move one cell to left direction. That means currently the read write head positions here. we are in the state q3. q3 will come across with z. Actually this z is not there in the previous iteration, so we add a new transition z. Just keep on skipping and move to the left direction. Next q3 will come across with b. Just keep on skipping. q3 will come across with sequence of y's. Just keep on skipping. Next q3 will come across with a. Just keep on skipping. Next q3 will come across with x. That is, we keep that x as it is. We move one cell to the right direction. That is, we come here and we switch to the state q naught. Again, this is the state which is responsible for converting a into x. Next, we are in the state q1. q1 will come across with y's. Just keep on skipping. q1 will come across with some b at some instance of time. Convert this b into y. This is third b. Since third a is already converted to x, we convert third b into y. Next, we move one cell to the right direction and we move to the state q2. q2 will come across with sequence of z. Just keep on skipping. q3 will come across with third c. Just convert that c into z. Just move one cell to the left direction and move to the state q3. q3 will come across with sequence of z's. Just keep on skipping. q3 will come across with sequence of y's. Just keep on skipping. Next, q3 will come across with this x. Then it will move to the state q0. Thus that x is retained as it is, and we move to the state q0 and we move one cell to the right direction. That means now read write ahead positions at this location. Now q0 will come across with input symbol y for the first time instead of a. That means we have to define a new transition. q0 will come across with input symbol, tape symbol y. We just keep that symbol as it is and we move one cell to the right direction. We move one cell to the right direction. Let us define some new state q4. That means whenever q0 will come across with input symbol y instead of a, all the a's are converted to x. It means that all the a's are converted to x. We have to check that whether all the remaining b's are converted to y's and the c's converted to z or not. If in case if any leftovers like b and c on the tape, that means that string doesn't belongs to our language. If every other character, if all the b's are converted to y's and all the c's are converted to z's, that means correspondence is matched. That means n number of a's are followed by n number of b's and n number of b's followed by n number of c's, which is a string which belongs to our language. Let us check whether all the strings are converted to corresponding characters. All the remaining characters are converted to corresponding characters. q4. q0 when come across with y, we move one cell to the right direction and we switch it to the state q4. Now q4 will come across with sequence of y's. Just repeat a loop. Just y, just keep as it is and move one cell to the right direction. Then q4 will come across with sequence of z's. Again, just keep on skipping. q4 will come across with blank symbol. If it happens, that means all the characters are converted to corresponding characters. If in case q4 come across with either b or c, that means that the number of b's or number of c's are dominating number of a's, which is a wrong string, which doesn't belong to our language. It should not be accepted. But in this case, if these transitions happens, then it is a legitimate string. Then we go when q4 come across with blank symbol, we just keep that blank symbol and we can move either left or right, and we finally move to the accepting state qf. This is about accepting the language a power n, b power n, c power n. We can also define mathematical transitions or a transition table for this model. Thank you.